Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If today's your first day on this channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. So on today's video, I'll be teaching you guys one simple thing, wow, that changed my life. Trust me. So let's get going. Welcome back. So today, guys, I'll be teaching you for this very important vegetables that we normally don't eat abroad. Okay, this is kale. Okay, this kale is very good. It helped me a lot. I actually had eye problems, so I was looking for things to eat, things to drink. I started going through internet, through different means, so I actually found this thing. This thing can prevent cancer, it can prevent diabetes, can prevent high blood pressure, hypertension, name it. It contains all the vitamins you need, your minerals, potassium, magnesium, vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, iron, zinc. This thing works like magic. Okay guys, this kale works like magic. It works like magic. Some people like to boil it and eat, but me, I prefer to blend and drink. So guys, I'm going to be teaching you guys how I make my kale every day. It's either you use your juice extractor, but I'm not going to be using this today. I'm going to be using the blender to make this one. Okay guys, so because blender is very easy to find if you're in Nigeria or anywhere. Maybe everybody gets juice extractor. So today guys, I'm going to be using blender to teach you guys how I make my own. Then after blending it, I'll put it in this tiny sieve so that it can pass through it very easily. So let's get going. All you need to do is just wash your kale. Take this hard part out of it, because if you blend it like this, it's going to be it won't blend properly. So all you need to do is to blend, to cut into different smaller sizes. All you need to do is just put it into your blender, pouring water inside. You add more water inside. Get this to press, because it's a very strong vegetable, very strong. Get your sieve ready. Always use this because it's very easy for the liquid to pass through this sieve, so that the liquid will come down, then the shaft will remain on top. But I normally use my juice extractor, but I don't want to use my juice extractor. I decided to use my blender today. Blend very well. For those of you that suffer, I don't know, for cold, for catarrh, for fever, for cancer, body pain, arthritis, rheumatism, heart problem, respiratory problem, this thing works like magic. Guys, I had a problem with my eyes. I was scared that I was going blind. I had to get this thing from someone. The person told me about it. I went to the internet and I read about it. So I saw everything and I tried it for a month, morning, afternoon, evening. As in, I drink a glass of this every day. My eyes came back well. Okay. Okay. Pour it inside your shape like this. You can see gradually. If you want, you can put water inside the remaining shaft and blend, but for me, I don't do it anymore. I just make sure I squeeze out everything. Okay, I squeeze everything out. You can see. Those of you that want to slim down, I want to have flat tummy. I'm actually a mother of 3. I've got 3 kids, you know. These things helps a lot. You guys should see my kitchen. You see? I've got them in bulk here. I've got them here. I'm going to upload these videos very soon. So, if you want to live a healthy life, try to take things like this. But this Kale is just why I came to make this video. Because this Kale works like magic. Alright guys. So, enjoy with me. Wow. Tastes so good. So, if you like this video guys, please don't forget to share, subscribe, like, put a comment below if you try this recipe and you get back to me. If you have this problem I just named, you're always feeling weak, you're always feeling dizzy, always feeling very tired, try this for at least 1 month. Even in a week or 2 weeks, you already start seeing the results. So guys, see you on my next video. Bye bye.